the rodeo right now, and this is impressive what these kids could do. The adults are cool, but the kids are the coolest, and they are freaking badasses roping. Unbelievable the way they heel the cows fast, and they're just like nothing, effortless. Impressive to see these kids do it. But again, we're in the West, the wild, wild West. Good morning.
This is day
16 or 17. Sava, you awake?
Yes, I had my coffee already. I'm excited to see the new lake we're going to and the new places to come.
We are in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, currently driving on I-70 East at about 10,000 feet elevation. For sure tonight we're camping at one of the alpine lakes. We are cooking in a hurry because the storm is coming, but look at that sunset. This is our first night on the lake. It is freezing, but we managed to whip this beautiful chicken fajita with tomatoes, onions. Very, very basic, but freaking delicious. Cheers. Why don't you guys try this?